Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on deleting your Houseparty account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. This is super easy to do, so let's get started. Within the Houseparty app, tap on the smiley face button at the top left of the screen. Now tap on the Settings button on the left here. In Settings, select Privacy from the list. Now choose Delete Account. Read what it says here and tap Delete Anyway if you're sure. Enter your password to confirm that it's really you and then tap OK. You will now be logged out from Houseparty and your account will be deleted. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Houseparty tips and tricks.